So what is the hover text or hover typing on the iPhone? Let me explain it to you. And if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So it is a feature which is built into every iPhone, and it's part of the accessibility settings, right? So if you go to your settings and find accessibility, it's going to be right there. And accessibility things or features are designed to make it easier for you or for some specific people to use this device. So this is like the theme of this feature as well. So you can get inside of the hover text and you can enable it. Right, and it is basically going to display a text view of items under the pointer, right? So the hover text is basically meant for a pointing device. So if you connect things like a mouse to the iPhone, or the pointer device could be the trackpad, right? So you can connect it to the device, and if you use it as a cursor, which you hover above some different things, it will give you the ability to show what that is. So let me quickly show it to you what it looks like. Now, as you can see, I have connected the trackpad. You can see I'm using it in real time. It's connected through the cable to the iPhone, and everything that I click on or like move my mouse above, it gets like read out loud to me or like written in here, right? So I can point my finger at this and it's telling me reachability is on, right? I can click on this, it tells me that it's haptic touch and so on, right? It even like reads out loud this little like smaller thing, right? So you have it almost like a teleprompter reading what's like the thing is pointed at, right? So this is the first part of this. It's called the hover text, right? So you can manage this like that, and yeah, you can disable it, whatever. But you also have the hover typing, which is at the bottom like this, and you can enable it similarly, which isn't really connected to the trackpad or the pointer device, but instead it is showing you in real time what you are typing in a box above the text field, right? So I'm gonna type in an example and you can see that it gets shown right in there, right? So as long as I'm typing, it's going to be shown right in here. So that's essentially how it works. These are the two features which you are probably thinking about or wanting to find out more about. So if you like this type of explanation videos, let me know below in the comments what you'd like to see next, but definitely subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming videos.